Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 30 Pro and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find either users and accounts or Google. It's up to you basically which section you prefer to use. I prefer this one, so let me tap on it. And as you can see in this section, accounts for owner, we do not have any kind of account added. So we will start this whole tutorial with adding the account. Let's tap on this plus icon or this option simply, and then tap on Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and from this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next your device will autofill it right here. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. It's up to you whether you want to turn on the backup. If you want to learn more about the backup itself, and then I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So let me pick don't turn on, and here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so simply tap on it to learn more, to get into the information, and then tap on I agree. And right here we've got a kind of a shortcut of backup and storage information, so just tap on more and accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can always remove it. Simply tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.